Welcome back to the InScentive Collection, and today we are getting into the house of Memo Paris, okay? Memo Paris. Now, I tried almost all of these when I was in some, what's it called? Duty-free station when I was traveling abroad. I can't remember which one it was. It's definitely a unique house. So we're gonna get into these. We have 7 on the docket. Stay tuned for the playlist. They're gonna come out week by week. All right, without further ado, look at the ornate design. Let's get straight into this. Oh, all right. Falling out. Falling out. Okay. That's what we're looking at on the inside. All right, you got a map, presumably of Paris. Oh, this is all over the place. I'm seeing Japanese, Tomodachi. I'm seeing, yeah, there's a lot here. So let's go ahead and we have a note breakdown, right? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Shows you the bottle, shows you, yep. Well, it's not really a note breakdown. So, we are going to get into Ithaca. Unsheath it. There it is. Presented. Oh, clear in color. Clear in color. All right. They're all organized too, which is not necessarily common. So shout out to Memo Paris for that. I don't have to go searching around. I know exactly where it is. I don't have to flip it upside down. A lot of points in there. All right, set off for Ithaca. Oh, it's spelled differently. Ithaca. And they give you the correct enunciation in the text. That's amazing. A mythical island of the Ionian Sea, home of the epic tale of Ulysses and Penelope, an island of encounters at the heart of Archipelago. Reading with Brandon, where the strength of cedar, vivacity of bergamot, and the sweetness of blackcurrant come together as one. All right. Launched in 2007. Let's go ahead and get this in the spirit. No idea what to... now, I'm pretty sure I smelled this before, but when I went through, I smelled all of them, so I didn't get a chance to like really enjoy. Okay, yeah. There it is. It's good. It's coming up. There it is. Bam. All right. Prepare to be amazed. Let's see what we got. Oh, yes, it's been a long time. I'm finally back in the game. Let's see. It's different. It's different. And I appreciate that above everything. I like it. I like it. Let's see what Fragrantica is saying. It is a citrus, fruity, aromatic, fresh spice, woody, soft spice, fresh, green, and sweet. It is all of those in a bag of chips. Let's look at the notes. Bergamot, bitter orange, mandarin orange. Whoa, giant ad. Hold on. Sorry about that. In the top notes, you got bergamot, bitter orange, mandarin orange, pink pepper, Swan pepper, and Madagascar pepper. And the pepper is really what is giving it that tingling sensation up top, but it's being held up also by the bitter orange. I like this a lot. Middle notes, you have currant buds, red currant, juniper berries. This is well done, guys. This fragrance is well done. Raspberry, Egyptian jasmine. And in the base, you have Texas cedar. Tejas. Shout out to Lou Moo, baby. Tejas. All right. And then you have patchouli in the base. I like this. I like this a lot. This is a beautiful rendition of a summer, spring, bright, vibrant, energetic. I can see this being mass appealing. It is a fragrance that is different. I think I can smell the Texas cedar. It's got like a robust, gritty sawdust nature to it. There's something in the top notes that's giving it a real sparkly, it's like a dirty sparkle. It's not like you're just like, because Aventus is like, has that, you know, that pineapple note that's like sparkling and kind of pretty. This is sparkling and dirty. Like, it's sparkling, dirty, but I want to say that also the juniper berries and the Egyptian, this is nice. I like this a lot. I like this a lot, guys. This is a great fragrance. There's the image of it. That's cool. They're going the extra step. I noticed Memo Paris goes the extra step in a lot of the things that they do, from what I'm seeing. I've opened up a lot of discovery kits, and I feel like this one is just, this is a tad above the rest, outside of Nissan, because that one's amazing. But yeah, it's not as clean as you think. It's definitely dirty. Something in here is giving it kind of like there's some dirt in here. There's some funkiness. But it's not a pungent funky. It's more like a, and it's got that pine from the, I'm spitting. It's got the pine from the juniper berries, man. It's been a minute since I've smelled something different, fresh, interesting, engaging. I like this a lot. This is a great first start to the house. I don't know if they put this fragrance first for a reason, but hopefully we can continue this same type of energy. Man, this is like, it's like, you know how Christmas gives you that pine, ambery fragrance? Just stay with me. Pine and, like, you know, this is like the opposite of that. It's the same vein of like pine, fresh coldness, but with the top notes doing its top notey thing. It's definitely something that you could wear in, I would say, so this is definitely something you wear on more of a warmer day, a warmer or a cooler day, but the pineness allows you to wear this deep into the fall. Deep into the fall. Now, as far as projection and all that stuff, I have no idea, but I think this is a perfect fall, colder day, but also it'll be with you into the winter. I could see myself getting a bottle of this, especially heading into next year. So, it's been a minute since these videos are going 7 minutes. That is the first impressions of Memo Paris's Ithaca, I think is how you say it. Bravo, Memo. Bravo, Memo. Bravo, Memo. I'm trying to see if it's on the cover. I don't see it on the cover. And then again, you have, oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely, it's got all the names and stuff. No notes, no notes. They don't, not a lot of companies do note breakdowns inside of the packaging, which is fine. But that's it. That's the review. Let me know what you guys think of the house, Memo Paris. We are off to a great start. I'm a big fan already. I do got to get my nose on Tiger's Den, guys, because I smelled that while I was in that duty-free station, and that's the one that stuck out. Unfortunately, it's not in this pack. This video's going on long enough. I'll catch you guys in the next one. YouTube's making some great recommendations. Check them out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.